Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix blue screen when connected to internet on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing blue screen problem when you are connected to internet on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is just you have to click on start menu, then click on settings, click on the systems, scroll down, here you will find troubleshoot, click on that, then click on other troubleshooters. Here you will find network and internet, just you have to click on run. After that it will detect if there is any problem, then it will fix us automatically. Close this window, then try the second method. Open the device manager, click on the search menu, then type here device manager, click on that. In this you will find network adapter, double click and expand it. Select your driver from which you are using the internet, right click on that, click on update driver, click on search automatically for the drivers and close this window. After trying still it is not working, then you can try by uninstalling the driver and reinstall it again. After doing this, restart your PC, then check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After doing all this, still it is not working, then you can try the final method. Click on start menu, then click on settings, click on system, then type here reset. You will find a network reset, click on that, then click on reset now. After completion of this, just you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix blue screen problem when you are connected to internet on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.